There are a couple of ways for you to search the knowledge base in UGSupport. One is to use keywords and the search bar on the top of every page, and the other is to navigate with clicking through the tiles. Using the tiles, if you click on Knowledge Base, it will bring up the top 10 most viewed items, as well as the full listing of all articles within the knowledge base. Should you choose to search, go back to the top and use the keywords to search for any topic you are looking for. In this example, I would like to reset my password. UGSupport finds matches, one of which is a knowledge base article on how to reset my password. Click on that and it will bring you to the article, and you may be able to read the content within. Feel free to use the feedback form at the bottom of knowledge base articles to provide any feedback to the UGSupport implementation team.